Buckle up, it's lap 4. Welcome back to the channel for Right Time Watches here in Denver, Colorado. This watch is so much fun. It's the Shinola Speedway Lap 4. They've done some amazing different versions of the Speedway Canfield chronograph, but this one might be my favorite colorway of the bunch. Before we dig into all of its details though, we'll invite you to subscribe to our channel so you catch all of our upcoming videos on watches like this one. This watch has a 44mm diameter with a 50.1mm lug-to-lug. It's 15mm thick and powered by a modified Sellita automatic chronograph movement. Recently, Shinola has released 3 different iterations of their first automatic chronograph watch, the Canfield Speedway, and today we get to take a look at this really interesting Lap 4 edition. The features, functionality, and overall look are generally the same as the previous versions, but this one gets a magnificent colorway update. If colorful watches are not really your thing, you might just want to steer away from this lineup because they've all been really fun, colorful watches. This one is maybe my favorite of the bunch because I tend to lean towards blue as my primary color on watches. This one has a predominantly blue center of the dial, but we obviously have awesome baby blue accents as well as red and orange on that center hand. Now, if you were simply describing a watch to me that had all that color on its dial, I would think it would look like a color wheel threw up all over the place. But somehow they put this in perfect positioning so that all the colors look great together. The design of this watch is truly the star of the show here, and it's an excellent addition to have a beautiful color-matched date wheel, which I know people like to get excited about. The case on these watches is not for the faint of heart or faint of wrist. It's a significantly sized watch and it's quite thick. That being said, the lug-to-lug is very manageable for a watch of this size. I love the crowns over here on the right side of the case. They're very detailed and look fantastic with the overall design. The strap is a bit of a modified rally style, and it's a great navy blue to match that dial. Shinola is well known for their leatherwork, and I think this one fits the mold. It's very high quality feeling, and I think will be durable. I also always love their buckles. Through the back of the watch, you get a look at this awesome modified Sellita automatic movement. It's got a beautifully customized rotor that's all in black with that orange lightning bolt as a perfect accent. The decoration on this movement looks really good in my opinion, and it's a trusty, reliable Sellita automatic. It functions in standard fashion using the pushers on the top to start and stop the timing, and the pusher on the bottom right to reset that chronograph. The lume is certainly not a strength of this watch, but it is there, so if you need to be able to see the time at night, you can. This watch looks stellar on my 8-inch wrist, but as you can see, there's so much room because of those short wire-style lugs. This could be worn by many. For as much as some people within the watch collecting community like to bag on Shinola, I'll go ahead and tell you that the other iterations of this Canfield Speedway have sold out almost immediately. This one seems to follow suit as well. This is a great looking automatic chronograph with a fair price and a very impressive warranty. I think this watch has a lot going for it, and if you like something a little bit unique in your watch box, give this one a look. I know the Shinola brand is not for everybody, but if you like it, this is going to be a great collector's item. If you'd like to purchase this watch or any of our others, please visit us online at righttime.com or give us a call. We're always happy to help. As always, thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you next time at Right Time.